The secret of tears, hidden science revealed under the microscope. Imagine a single tear, magnified to the extreme, revealing a hidden universe of details invisible to the naked eye. Did you know that a simple drop can contain valuable information about our emotions, health, and even our inner history? Under the watchful eye of the microscope, a silent dance of complex structures unfolds, as if each particle tells a chapter of our existence. It is at this moment that we invite you to embark on a unique journey where science meets emotion and the visible gives way to the extraordinary. The beginning, the basal tears. We start with basal tears, those that constantly and silently lubricate and protect our eyes. At first glance, they seem ordinary, but under the microscope, they reveal organized patterns, structures that reflect their essential function to preserve, hydrate, and defend. They glide smoothly across the ocular surface, creating a barrier against invisible invaders. Every line, every spiral, is a testament to the astonishing biological precision that keeps our vision intact day after day. The reaction, reflex tears. The narrative gains intensity when we reach reflex tears, those produced in reaction to external stimuli, such as smoke, wind, or the cutting of an onion. Unlike basal tears, these appear suddenly, like a biological alert. Its movements are more abrupt. Its chemical composition reveals important changes. They are loaded with specific substances that help expel irritants. It's the body reacting, protecting itself with almost military precision in fractions of a second. The mystery, emotional tears. And then we reach the pinnacle of our journey, emotional tears. Here, science intertwines with feeling. Produced in moments of intense joy, sadness, or nostalgia, these tears carry much more than water. They contain hormones, enzymes, and proteins released during deep emotional states. Under the microscope, each droplet becomes art. Unique patterns, unpredictable shapes, textures that seem painted by invisible hands. They are emotional maps, each one reflecting the intensity of a memory, a burst of longing, or the euphoria of a reunion. Microscopic evidence suggests that these tears are more than a biological response. They are visible expressions of the soul, converted into matter, a universe in every drop. At this point, we ask ourselves again, what else is hidden in the simplicity of a tear? This question, which drives us to investigate, discover, and understand, is answered with each new analysis. The microscopic study of tears offers us a glimpse of the extraordinary encounter between structure and feeling, between body and emotion. Photographers like Rosalind Fisher and Maurice Mikers masterfully documented these differences, revealing that a tear can be much more than a reaction. It can be a living landscape where science and art coexist. The value of details. As this narrative unfolds, we are led to reconsider the value of small details. Each tear is a miniature of the complexity of life, a faithful reflection of our experiences and our capacity to feel. The apparent contrast between the simplicity of the act of crying and the complexity that is revealed under the microscope is resolved with scientific clarity, which reveals the secrets hidden in each drop. Thus, what seemed to be just a physiological phenomenon reveals itself as a mirror of the human soul, proof that even in the smallest element, there are profound mysteries to be revealed. An invitation to discovery. Now, with our spirit awakened and our curiosity renewed, we realize that science is present in everything, even in the most intimate of gestures. Each tear, whether basal, reflex, or emotional, carries a unique and essential role and deserves to be understood, celebrated, and respected. This revelation invites us to look within, and recognize that behind every emotion there is a microscopic universe waiting to be discovered. If this surprised you as much as it did me, comment below, share it with someone as curious as you, and subscribe to the channel. There are many more invisible wonders to come.